No matter which life stage we are at, we all want the same: to enjoy our lives to the fullest. Mike, for example, just finished college. He started his first job and is looking forward to new adventures ahead. Julie will soon be a mama again. She is already full of love and passionate about taking care of her family. Mike and Julie take food supplements every day to support them on their journey. Just like theirs, your body is your home, and you should take good care of it. NUTRILITE For Me Kits are created to fit different requirements. Each kit contains selected high-quality products which support your needs at different life stages. All created with high NUTRILITE standards to provide an effective everyday solution. Because your body is your home for a lifetime, and you should take good care of it.